On the Health Beat this morning, a debilitating injury that meant a long-time civil servant could no longer work, but he's not giving up. Health Beat anchor Anne-Marie Tiernan has his effort to give back while he works to get well.
Let's do some kicks and hold it for 5. All right, 1.
Small, supervised, and specific movements are part of the prescription for Bob Ervin's recovery. An abscess on his lower spine led to emergency surgery. Afterward, he was bedridden.
I couldn't walk. I was diagnosed at the time as a paraplegic. I couldn't move anything. I was total care. It was just awful. It was god-awful. So the thing that was challenging to me, not only was it the physical part of it, but the mental part, because I went from total independency to total dependency within a 24-hour period.
That led to depression, and at first it was hard for the former township and state worker to ask for help.
I didn't want to appear weak. You know, men, we have this ego thing about us, and we just don't want to feel weak. And I've always been independent. I've always taken care of myself. I've never had to depend on anything or anyone my whole life, my whole working entire life. So it was a very traumatic experience for me to go through that.
Let's turn around.
But he found physical and mental support at Forest Creek Village.
He's made significant progress, like he's gained strength in his legs and he was able to walk.
It's slow, steady progress, and with it came a desire to do more.
I will always probably have a disability, but my issue is, what do I do with that disability? Good morning, everybody, and welcome.
Bob was elected president of the Resident Council.
I'm like a liaison between the patients, my peers, and management.
It's a role he'll miss because after 2 years and 8 months of work, Bob will soon head to assisted living, a goal many doubted he'd ever reach.
Never, never, never give up. And I think you should stay motivated, reach in your inner self, whether it's spiritual, or if it's your mom and dad, whatever you've encountered in your life that motivates you, grab onto that and use that to push you. Surround yourself with supportive, professional, and personal people, meaning your family and friends, and professional people, and you can do whatever you need to do.
That's Anne-Marie Tiernan reporting. Now, you can learn more about rehabilitation and assisted living options at your senior health fair this Saturday. It's at Community Hospital South from 9 until noon. There are free health screenings and information about benefits for veterans as well. So really an important resource for you that you can take part in.
You know, that guy, 2 years and 8 months in rehab. You talk about steadfast. Yeah. That's an awesome story.
All right, we've got some inspirational weather here lately, although, you know, the last couple of days have been fantastic. Yeah.